So natural join means, see the definition. So join two tables based on the column names. And natural joins relies on the same column names for matching rows. If you change the table structure, then the query may work differently than expected. Okay, so I will discuss with example. I will take all inner join queries, different types of join queries I will take, and inner join, left join, right join, and cross join. It is okay. Natural join means no need to write the join condition. If the column name, mapping column name is same in both tables, then automatically it will execute that particular join. Okay, so I will tell with example. Here I am going to, where it is, in employee table, where it is employee table, I am going to change the column name of department number 1. And before that, I will remove this condition, join condition, and write it here, natural inner join, and execute here. See, inner join will work. 14 records I will get along with department name, location. Okay. And here I am changing the column name in employee table, department number into department number 1. Okay. If I execute this, how many records I will get? 56. Okay. See this definition. Natural join relies on the same column names for matching rows. If you change the table structure, this query may work differently than expected. That means it becomes cross join. Okay. So now if you change that department number 1 into department name, department number, then again, if you execute this query, how many records you will get? 14 records. That means both column name is similar in both tables. Okay. So like that, if you execute this employee left join also, if I insert, where it is insert query, I'm going to insert the one record in left table, employee table. Now take this natural, type here natural left join, and remove this condition. See how many records? 15 records, matching records from both tables, and one triple four ones record that is displayed. Okay. And similarly, natural join, natural right join, and remove this condition. See, so department number 40 recorded is displayed. Okay. So next one is natural full join. No need to specify this condition. See, 16 records are there. Matched records plus not matched records from both tables. Okay. So this is about joins, natural joins. Okay. And see, when to use joins means when to use subqueries. You need column from both tables, multiple tables. Then we go for joins. Or if you are working with large data sets, don't use subqueries, better to go for joins. Whenever you want to avoid row by row execution, as we discussed in subquery, then better to go for join. Okay, you want to avoid row by row execution that is related to subquery, then better to go for joins. Subquery, when to use subquery means whenever you need to compute a value to filter main results, as we discussed in subqueries. Okay, so in that cases, better to go for subquery. And in exist kind of situations will be there, requirements will be there, then you go for subquery. Or if you want to simplify logic into nested queries, okay, so better to go for subqueries. So this is the difference between joins and subqueries. So combine data from both tables, that is joins, and side by side. Okay, and inside a query inside another query, that is called subqueries. And all involved tables are visible to the main query at the same time. But here, not visible. All involved tables are not visible in main query. Okay, and it is faster than subqueries. So syntax it is, and easy to return multiple columns from related table but in subqueries, it is not possible to return the columns from multiple tables. Okay, so it is good for filtering, aggregation, and single calculated values. So this is the difference between joins and subqueries.